In 2021, I wrote down a plan in a messy little notebook. It was ambitious, it was chaotic, but it was mine. The plan consisted 3 steps: join a startup, get into Google, and build something of my own. 2 years later, I had the startup, I got a job at Google, I had built, I was at one of the best offices in the world, surrounded by smart people, free food, and cool parties. And slowly, I forgot I ever planned to build something. And then, one day, this single line changed everything. It's not failure that stops people, it's being okay with what they already have. The wake-up call. After I completed 2 steps, something felt off. I stopped feeling hungry. Only thing that fed my hunger was money. I was earning well, living well, but deep down, I was settling. That scared me. So I started looking for a problem. I read, researched, and overthought everything until I finally decided, screw it, I'm going to solve my own problem. In August 2024, I started building Achieve It that broke down personal goals. I spent a month building it, but I never shipped it, I never marketed it. It just sat there, 17k rupees and all. Being an engineer got me to a door, but to walk through, I had to become more. Chapter 3, The Spark. New Year's Eve, 3 a.m. I was again alone, again building. But this time, I promised myself, no more dead projects. I was frustrated paying for multiple AI tools. I thought, what if one subscription gave access to all of them? And of course, it already existed. I felt crushed. But then, I remembered something. Google wasn't the first search engine, and Amazon wasn't the first online store. You don't have to be first, you just have to do it right. Chapter 4, The Comeback. So, I built the MVP in a week. I added authentication, added payments, and most importantly, I showed it to people. This time, I didn't wait. I didn't overthink. I just started building. I took the idea. One subscription for all top AI models. I built the simple version in a week. I didn't care if it was messy. I just wanted to make it real. I built a working prototype, added login, added payments, and I showed it to few friends. One of them looked at me and said, wait, this is actually fire. And that moment, that's when again something changed. It wasn't perfect, but it didn't need it to be. People got it. For the first time, I looked my idea through someone else's eye, and it wasn't half bad. Closing, the bigger picture. It's been 4 years, I scribbled down that messy plan. I didn't follow it perfectly, but maybe that's the point. Building something of your own isn't a straight line. It has lost nights, it's missteps, it's trying, failing, and trying again. From 0 to 1 again. I don't have it all figured out. I'm building, I'm learning, but I'm showing up even if it's messy. If you're someone trying to build a project, a business, or a new chapter, and you don't know where it will lead, and maybe we're on the same path, stick around. I will share everything I learned, the wins, the breakdowns, the breakthrough. Subscribe if you want to build with me. We are just getting started.